Hello, we're going to talk about the Columbian Exchange. So what is the Columbian Exchange? What is the Columbian Exchange? Named after Christopher Columbus, the Columbian Exchange is the fusion between Old World and New World cultures. What is Old World? This includes the continents of Europe, Asia, and Africa. In Columbus's times, these continents were believed to be the entire world. However, Columbus and other scholars knew that there were still distant lands that remained undiscovered. Here you see a map of our planet. Highlighted in green is the area considered the Old World. As you can see, you could see Africa, Asia, Europe, and you see some of the East Asian countries such as the Philippines and Indonesia. The rest of the planet is in gray. These areas to the Europeans and the Old World were not known. However, there was people that lived here, and these peoples were known as the Native Americans. So we have the term New World. So what does New World mean? Well, as you can see on the slide here, that we have a picture of North America and South America. This particular area is considered the New World. The New World is considered to be the continents of North and South America. These were the lands inhabited by Native Americans. However, Christopher Columbus was one of the first Old World explorers to discover these continents. So what happened after Columbus discovered the New World? After the discovery of the New World by Christopher Columbus in 1492, contact between the two worlds were solidified. Now, before that time, the two worlds really didn't know each other. But now we see a connection that will last until present time, and perhaps forever. Contact with the two worlds was very detrimental to the New World inhabitants. Native Americans were isolated from the rest of the planet for tens of thousands of years. In fact, the New World was sort of a paradise compared to the Old World. New World peoples did not have the diseases which existed on the other side. They lived in close harmony with nature and did not have economic systems of the Old World, which are very much in place today. And these economic systems were mainly based on money. The idea of money really didn't exist in the New World. In some spots, it had something like that, but not the way we have it today. Okay, so we're going to stop here today. We'll go ahead and do a discussion, and we'll continue with this lesson in another week. Thank you very much, and have a good day.